state agency established under the Films Exchange Plays Act, 222 of the laws of Kenya, to regulate the creation, broadcasting, possession, distribution, and exhibition of film and broadcast content. The purpose of regulation is geared towards ensuring that content conforms to Kenya's culture, national aspirations, and protect children from exposure to harmful or adult content. In execution of our core mandate, the board, among others, grants filming licenses to both local and international filmmakers and registers film agents who are responsible for facilitating other film and television producers. Ladies and gentlemen, Section 4.1 of the Films Exchange Plays Act states that, and I quote, "No film shall be made within Kenya for public exhibition or sale, either within or outside Kenya, except under and in accordance with the terms and conditions of a filming license issued by the licensing officer under this part." And close the quotes. In order to obtain filming licenses, filmmakers are presently required to register as a local film agent or to seek the services. Here, that requirement was inherited from the Department of Film Services, which was initially responsible for issuing filming licenses before this regulatory function was transferred to KFCB way back in 2018. Although film agents are recognized as important players in the film sector globally, their role in most jurisdictions is typically confined to facilitating foreign film and television producers. The obtaining situation in Kenya, therefore, is in contrast with the global best practice. It is small wonder that the board has in recent times received numerous representations from the local filmmakers recommending the abolition of the requirement for them to register as filmmakers or to be facilitated by film agents when obtaining filming licenses in order to enable them to comply with the requirements of the law. These proposals are informed by best practices in other film markets, especially in Africa, and the provision of the draft Kenya Film Policy 2020, which provides for restricting the role of film agents to the facilitation of foreign filmmakers. In light of the above, it is evident that the current practice of obtaining filming licenses through film agents, among other factors, inhibits market entry for aspiring creatives and may therefore ultimately stifle the growth of the local creative economy. To create an enabling environment for our youth to harness the opportunities in the local creative economy, the KFCB has resolved to redefine the role of film agents in Kenya with a view to confining it to provision of international standard services to foreign film and television producers. In this regard, the board has today, 23rd August 2022, published a public notice in MyGov publication on redefining the role of the film agent. The said notice is meant to sensitize the industry on the proposed changes and to invite stakeholders and members of the public to submit their input and comments. The public consultation documents have been uploaded onto the KFCB website for reference. I am happy to announce that this consultation exercise